Hello, so in today's video I'm gonna be starting off by doing my eyebrows. So I do have a video that is already done on this. Like if you want to go check it out, I'll leave the link below. Everything I'm using on this video is in the description down below. Yeah, check it out guys. Concealing your brow is very important because it makes it look clean. To blend that concealer in because you don't want to look scary. So I also conceal the top of my brow. It just makes it look clean guys, and then it removes those marks that you might have went over. So now I'm going over with my foundation. I'm using the Revlon Colorstay foundation. I'm using a brush to apply it all over my face. Then after that I'm gonna use a beauty sponge to sort of like blend it in. Yeah, I'm gonna use that beauty sponge to blend it in. Yeah. So now I'm highlighting my face. I'm using the signature concealer. It's in the shade Caramello. I'm highlighting the under my eyes, at the bridge of my nose, and also a bit under my chin and on my forehead. And you just need to blend that also in. Blending is very important when it comes to makeup because you want your makeup to look flawless. go with my setting powder. I'm using the Revlon Photoready Candid setting powder. This is to make the concealer not to crease. So now I'm contouring my face. I'm using an eyebrow palette that I got from Vibes. So I'm using an orangey color for my transition. So this palette that I'm using, I also bought it from Vibes, guys. I find their makeup products affordable, so that is why, like, some of my things I bought them from like the 5 Rand shop or like the dollar store. But it's only my foundation and like my concealers and like my setting powders that I buy from like click stores or Discount. Then as you can see, I'm using a very pigmented pencil. It's an eyeshadow pencil, guys. I also bought this from Vibes. So as you can see, I'm using a brush to blend all that in. But then I found out, let me just instead of like applying the thing directly to my eye, let me apply it on the back of my hand. Then from there I take it with the brush to sort of like blend it in. Then I'm going back in with my fluffy brush. I'm sort of like blending that blue color to my transition color. also on the lower eyelid of my eye. For my lips, I'm using the brown pencil. As you can see, I'm applying that all over my lips. Then I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick on top to sort of create like an ombre look. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, guys. Thank you.